Still typing the same names or departments again and again in Excel? What if Excel could autofill your own custom lists in seconds? In this video, I'll show you how to create custom lists in Excel, why professionals use them, and how this simple trick can save you hours of repetitive work. Okay, let's dive in. A custom list in Excel allows you to create your own autofill sequences. But with custom lists, you can create your own sequences like department names, sales regions, and so on. This is especially useful for repetitive data. Let's say your company frequently uses these departments. Instead of typing them manually every time, we can create a custom list. First, click on File. Then go to Options. Inside the Excel Options window, click Advanced. Now scroll all the way down until you see the General section. Then click Edit Custom Lists. Excel already has built-in lists like Sunday to Saturday and January to December. Go to New List. Now inside the List Entries box, type your custom items one per line. Once done, click Add, and see your custom list is now saved in Excel. Or, instead of typing items manually inside the custom list window, you can import them directly from a worksheet. I already have department names listed here in cells B4 to B13. Go to the Import List from Cells box, and select the entire department list range directly from your worksheet. Once done, click Import. That's it, your custom list is now saved in Excel, and ready to use anytime. And then click OK. Now let's test it. Type sales into any Excel cell. Move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the small plus icon. Now drag downward. And look at that! Excel automatically fills marketing, finance, HR, IT support, and so on. Exactly in the order we created. This works just like Excel's built-in days and months feature. And that's how you create and use custom lists in Excel like a pro. If this video helped you save time and work smarter, make sure to like this video, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.